Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Zainal Batsar. Saya dari 12 MIPA 1, nomor absen 20. Saya akan membuat masakan modifikasi nugget pisang.
Twelve in the morning, pop shells for a living and baby gon' smell blood trail every minute. Rogue wave and you niggas no fair. When I hit 'em, every time I see it big, I don't hesitate to kill 'em. Ain't nobody give a fuck about a rule. Either get diplomas of a tool. I'm a cool with my youngest no boo. When I spring in this cage, you fuckers fucking gang affiliated with nothing but my name. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking pole. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking pole. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. Yeah. People be starving and people be killing for food with that crack and that spoon. But these rich motherfuckers, they stay eating good, dropping waste, living good. Holding stick glocks, but you been a bitch, sucking thick cock, fucking grip walk, hit a strip like in Bangkok. Never ever see me ever trip, but a live broad. See me on the TV screaming, bitch, you a damn fraud. And you don't wanna fuck with a chicken like me. When I pull up in that Maserati, better duck for your brain splatter on the concrete. I'ma hit you with that 4-5 bullet, hit your neck, run the bow tie, looking like a thriller feeling, bitch. I'ma go right back with the clip, and I know you be shaking. Don't test me or I'ma just click at your noggin. Man, I don't give a fuck about a